Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing fine and are taking care of yourselves. My name is Kanika Tandon and I'm here with a video of class 4th English grammar. Today we are going to complete a new chapter, that is chapter number 24, the conjunction. Starting our today's video with chapter number 24, the conjunction. So conjunction is a word that joins two sentences. Now you must be thinking, how does the word, one single word can join two sentences? So we are going to see some examples. First example is, he is a doctor and his younger brother is an advocate. Here there are two sentences. If you see, he is a doctor, sentence number 1, and his younger brother is an advocate. This is sentence number 2. With the help of one single word, that is and, we have joined two sentences. So this and acts as a conjunction. And similarly, second one, she worked hard. Sentence number 1, she could not succeed. Sentence number 2. These two sentences are joined with the word but, which is a conjunction. Similarly, run fast. For sentence number 1, you will miss the bus. Sentence number 2. These both are connected with one word, which is or. That word is the conjunction. Alright, so conjunction is a word that joins two sentences together, but what we have to make sure that two sentences are kind of related to each other. Alright, like we cannot join two sentences like something that is that differ from each other. Now coming on to the use of conjunction, we use and to join words and sentences that belong to a particular class. Alright, when we are talking about one single person, we use and, like he is intelligent, he is honest. These two sentences are talking about one single person. So we are going to join these two together with the word and, which is a conjunction. Kavita is singing, Archana is dancing. Right, so Kavita is singing, Archana is dancing. These two also belong to one class only. So we are going to add these two sentences together and write and with the help of and. We use but to join words or sentences that have opposite ideas. Right, both the sentences, the meaning of both the sentences are going to be different. So there was loud noise around us, we were not disturbed. So if they were with the same class only, I mean the same ideas only, it would have been ki there was loud noise around us, we were disturbed, because there is not even a single person who is never disturbed by some noise. Alright, so they have opposite ideas. There was loud noise and they got disturbed. Right, so there was loud noise around us but we were not disturbed. He ran very fast but missed the bus. Next is, we use or to join words or sentences when we want to make a choice. This is simple. When we have to make a choice, we use or. Like, is your brother older or is your brother younger than you? These are two sentences joined with the word or, which is a conjunction. Do your homework or I shall punish you. So do your homework, I shall punish you. Choice, there is a choice. Either you do the homework or I will punish you. I shall punish you. So we are joining these two sentences together with the help of or, which is conjunction. Now coming on to correlative conjunctions. Now correlative conjunctions are those conjunctions which are used in pair. Means if we are using those conjunctions, we are using both of them. Or if we are not using the conjunction, we are not using any of them. Like either or, neither nor, whether or, not only but also. Alright, for example, we both like and respect her. Either take it or leave it. He was neither as slim nor as healthy as I was. Coming on to the next page. Not only but also, they visited not only Mumbai but also Goa. Whether or I do not care whether you go or stay. And now I hope that you understood. Now there are some sentences that you can read by yourself. They are poor yet happy. Do not go before they come. Will you wait till we return? We finished first though we began late. I did not finish the work because you did not order me. And these are the rest of the sentences. The explanation part of the chapter is over. Now coming on to the exercise. Exercise number 1. I did it pick out the conjunctions in the following sentences. Simple, we have to pick out the conjunction. I did it because he told me to. Because I used to have a cook, a gardener and a driver. And have you any uncles or aunts? Or is it a small house? It is a small house, yet it is spacious. Yet complete it before you forget. Before they can stay for weekend if they like. If he left a message before we went. Before her brother will not be there, but her sister might. But ask her whether she wishes to buy or not. Whether and or. This is correlative conjunction because they are used together. They will assist you if you ask them. If. Coming on to the next page. Fill in the blanks with suitable conjunctions. Select words from the help list. Children were making noise, but I was not disturbed. These are the sentences with opposite ideas, right? She will get the award if she deserves it. The phone rang and I replied it. He is probably at lunch or in a meeting. There were not enough beds, so we had to sleep on the floor. Now join the pairs of sentences together by means of suitable conjunction. Brother is at home, sister is at home. So brother and sister are at home. I am tall, my brother is short. I am tall, but my brother is short. They lost the match, they tried their best. They lost the match, although they tried their best. Or you can write it this way. Although they tried their best, they lost the match. Both ways you can write. Mohan cannot swim, Sohan cannot swim. So neither Mohan nor Sohan can swim. You should improve your spoken English. You should improve your vocabulary. So these have similar ideas, right? Same subject, same class. You should improve your spoken English and vocabulary. Alright, coming on to the next exercise. Frame sentences containing the conjunction given in the box. It is not necessary that you write the same sentences that I am giving in the book. Alright, you have to use these 5 words and you can write any sentence that you want, but those sentences should have some meanings. Alright, so he lived with his parents till he was 25. They stopped when they saw me. Coming next page. Although he has got a good job now, he still complains. His advice seems strange, yet I believe he is right. Think carefully before you choose. Okay, you can write any sentences you want, but those should give complete sense and should be in the correct English. Now last exercise. Fill in the blanks with proper conjunction. Frogs can hop, but they cannot fly. Speak louder so that I can hear you. They like to watch soap operas and films on TV. I missed the meeting because I was late. It was expensive, but they gave me a huge discount. Ben is happy because he won the race. Anita wanted to buy some medicines, so she went to the pharmacy. Paul has flu, yet he is going to work. With this, the exercise part is also over, and I hope that you have understood it. And kindly complete your work in your books, and I'll see you all next week with the last chapter of the syllabus. Thank you. Have a good day.